Yes, I'm walking in the rain under an umbrella in a thunderstorm. I think the light, whoa, that was a close one. The lightning will strike a tree before it'll hit me, I hope. I'm at Oakland Lake Park, walking around Fosdic Lake. I'm staying dry for the most part. I'm in long pants today. It's a little cold. On the other side of Fosdic Lake now. It's still raining. Still lightning. I'm out in the open zone now with my umbrella sticking up, ready to get struck by lightning. About to walk across the bridge that goes to the trail on top of Fosdic Lake Dam. Oh. Well, Fosdic Falls is roaring today. And look at that wonderful pile of pollution foam. Wow. There's one of our Oakland Lake Park's beautiful litter barrels. Looks like Fosdic Creek is almost in flash flood mode.